Okay, right. So now there is a question. You're from Kerala. Okay, so Kerala has a wonderful city called as Trichur. Oh my God, what a lovely place. Okay, right. So I have a query. When we follow the book, should we be following the text? Oh my God, it's gone. Your textbook, or should we follow ICM material? Right. So you can, like, you go to doctor. Doctor gives you prescription. You go to doctor. Doctor gives prescription. What prescription doctor gives? Okay, medicines. How he writes medicine? RX, आप लीजिए. You need to take. How he writes? You say, ma'am, crocine, we don't go to the doctor for him writing crocine for us. That we take it on our own. Okay? Right. But if you go for some, if you see your doctor's prescription, what does it say? This medicine in the morning, after breakfast, then afternoon, and then before food, after food, exactly. And then for 5 days, 10 days, 7 days, then you need to get these pathology tests done and then come back to show to me again after 7 days, 10 days, or something like that, for review and all of that. Okay, similarly, if I am an audit doctor and if I have to give you a prescription for your healthy study of audit, I would say that this book, from beginning to the end, and you need to study it minimum 3 times before the exam. Minimum 3 times. This book. And the audit book, which is those of you, some of you might have received who've taken admission already some time back, and some of you are the last minuters, so you will be getting. And a minimum, maximum is every day. And you can read it like your daily, daily time till the time you clear your inter audit. But yeah, like 3 times religiously, like, from hardcore in-depth study you do from the book, and then you mark your important points and keep on doing the constant cumulative revisions of books. And apart from that, if you want to go through the institute study material or any other notes which are there on Telegram channel and all, anyways, it's like a nice way to refresh your knowledge through different sources. But wo sara add-on, and that all is add-on. And additional, that's all is like supplementary. This is main hard. But yeah, do you need to separately study from the study material of ICI after you've studied from this book? As such, no. First, finish studying from this book 3 times before the exam. Then, if time remains, then you go through institute study material. No harm. Rather, I would, like, on the first day only, I'm giving you the advice for the last day also of your classes, that it's no harm that wherever you're doing your classes, you follow that particular class notes. But one day you go through the study material of ICI 1 or 2 days or 4-5 hours for each subject. You go through the study material of ICAR. You'll find like 80 to 90% of the things are exactly the same, except for the presentation and the question and answer part. But it's because ICS study material, they ask direct questions in the exam. So for each subject, like for FM, you see all the examples and illustrations given in the ICS study material, advanced accounts, you go through the questions over there. It's wonderful. Obviously, because that's your most authentic source, no? So even if you don't study through that, you go through it at least once before the exams. You understand? But this book should be more than enough. Okay, students always want a, what do you say, less size of the book, few number of pages, like 200, 300 pages book. I would have loved to do that. But that would be a selling point for the book, but not a exam, what you say, point maximizer point. From a, what do you say, 500 pages book, you can decide to read 200 pages. That's your call. But from a 200 pages book, how can you read 500 pages?